Oh, it was only a cut. And I said, yeah, but a cut might happen on your site. And if that cut has happened on 3 or 4 other sites, it becomes a trend. So we've had our biggest month last month in terms of the amounts of incidents reported across all our sites. I know that sounds bad that you're kind of getting all these incidents recorded, but it's actually a good thing when they're such minor in nature where you can actually intervene and then prevent something major from happening. So if it's harder to report or they've got to physically fill out a form and take time to do it, you're not going to know anything's happened, so you can't intervene. In order to do an incident report with this system was another reason that they could do it in less than a minute or two and do a near miss or something like that was so quick. Take a photo, done. Everybody could see exactly. It was so visible as to what actually happened or occurred or what caused the incident. The encouragement for these guys to report incidents, no matter how minor they are, is actually really good because I'm seeing a lot of minor incidents and no major ones.